Spring is finally here and our bird friends, they need houses to nest in. Lots of birds have already started nesting, but there are still some late birds that need some houses. That's why I'm going to be building a bird house. And I'm going to build it out of scrap wood I have lying around here. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully well. Okay, let's begin with picking the wood. I need something wider and I need something not that wide. I think these two are pretty nice. It's not going to be very big, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be that big. There's even more wider. I think I'm going to get some problems with the thickness because I'm planning on using quite short and tiny nails. So I'm going to use these two planks. First of all, let's see the size. I think I need two side walls. This is going to be one. It's going to be 30 centimeters long. 25. Let's do 25, so this is not too big. There we go. And I'm gonna need two of these. Then there is this other one, and it's gonna be pretty much the same. 25. But let's saw this one first and see how it works. Right, now we have walls. It's gonna be basically something like this. Not very big, but it's big enough for a tiny bird. What we need next is floor. So, let's see. Let's put it in here and measure how big is this piece gonna be. It's gonna be about 7 centimeters ish. I have this scrap piece over here. Let's measure the 7 there and saw it. There. Now we have the floor piece. Let's see. See if it's good enough. It's big enough. Yes. Perfect. It's not gonna be very big, but I think it's gonna be big enough for these tiny little birds. There. What we still need is the roof. So, okay, let me see. I'm probably gonna use the same stuff I'm using for the walls. Yeah. Let's take one of these. I'll measure how high it's gonna be. 14 and then add so that it's 20 centimeters so that there's a little lip above it. Lip above the door. There we go. That's on. There, now we have all the pieces. Walls, side walls, front and back wall, floor and roof. Basically, that's all we need. Let's go and put it together. Drill a hole. So we should be okay to go. Okay, yeah, let's do that. There, we have all the pieces. So it's time to put it together. I am sorry about the mess. I am still in the process of spring cleaning. I have made these. shields around the door, around the hole where the bird flies in. These are pretty good so that woodpeckers or anything can't get inside. And that also means we are going to be drilling the hole for the door. Okay, let's drill it in here. Let's put that one out there and this one. I have this 30mm drill bit. And what is this called? Crank drill. So let's make the hole somewhere in the middle. It's not important if it's not in the exact middle. The birds do not have tape measures with them when they are finding homes to live. A little bit more. There we go. A little bit split wood, but that's really not that important. At this point it's good to put this on. I'm using these small nails because they are quite handy and easy to use. Let's bend these nails that came through so that the birds don't hurt themselves. Okay, let's start putting it together. First, side wall and the back wall. This is just for support over there. Go. That's the back wall and the side wall put together. Then we are going to be putting the floor. Let's use this as a support under there. Like I said, it really doesn't have to be anything fancy because the birds don't care. As long as it's functional. They are dry and they are safe. That's all it needs. Then the other side wall. New corner. There. Now we have the back wall, floor and the side walls. Let's put the front wall. This one we are only going to be putting this on with just 2 nails. Here in the middle, 1. And then on the other side, at the exact opposite side, 1 more. So it opens. There. And then we are going to be putting the roof on. I just noticed that my first roof was a little bit too not wide enough. As you see, there are some gaps here on the other side. There are some gaps in here in the sides, so that's not good. So I made a little bit bigger. Let's put this on. It covers the nest properly. There. Now we have a bird nest that is easy to clean. Let's make one more adjustment here so that it's not easy to open for birds. One nail in here and bend it in front of the hatch. Now we have a bird nest that is easy to clean and safe place for little birds. I like to put these hooks, these here behind, so that it is easy to hang. There. there it is. Easy to make. And quite fast too. A little home project out of scrap wood with hand tools.